English learners, welcome back to
Social English.
your cozy little place to build your English confidence. I'm May.
Hello, May, and hello, everyone. I'm Jay. How are you today, May?
I'm doing really well, Jay. Actually, I had such a funny morning. I was at the coffee shop and the person in front of me just froze, like completely froze. The barista asked, "What would you like?" And the person just stared.
Oh, no. What happened?
They knew exactly what they wanted in their head, but the English words just didn't come out. And I thought, that is exactly why today's episode is so important.
Oh, I feel that. Sometimes I know what I want to say, but I can't find the words fast enough.
Right. So today we are giving you 99 English sentences for daily life. Real sentences. Sentences you can use today, tomorrow, at work, at the store, with friends.
99 sentences. That's a lot. But wait, are these like textbook sentences? Because those never feel natural to me.
No way. 0 textbook sentences. These are the real sentences that real people say every single day. Short, clear, and super useful.
Okay, I love that. Let's go.
But before we dive in, real quick, if this podcast helps your English, please subscribe, hit that like button, turn on notifications, and share this with a friend who is learning English. You sharing this show is the biggest help to us. Okay, Jay, ready?
Ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's start with morning and daily routine sentences, because every single day starts the same way, right?
Yeah, morning is like the most common situation for everyone.
Exactly. So here's your first set. I woke up late today. I need to get ready. What time is it? I'm running late. Did you eat breakfast? I'll be there in 10 minutes. Let me grab my bag. Can you wait for me? I'm on my way. See you soon.
Oh, wow. Those are so normal. Like I say, I'm running late almost every day.
Same. And notice, these sentences are short, no big words, but they carry so much meaning. I'm on my way, 3 words. Done. Everyone understands.
That's the thing, right? Simple is powerful.
Always. Okay, next category. Greetings and small talk. Because this is where most learners feel nervous. They don't know how to start a conversation.
Yes, I always feel like, what do I say after hello?
Great question. Here you go. How's everything going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? I'm doing pretty well, thanks. Not bad. How about you? It's been a while. You look great today. How was your weekend? Same old, same old. Good to see you again.
Wait, same old, same old. You mean like nothing is new?
Exactly. It means my life is the same. Nothing exciting is happening. But it's friendly. It keeps the conversation going.
I love that one. It sounds so natural.
It does. And here's the interesting part. Small talk sentences are not about giving big information. They are about connection. You are just saying, "Hey, I see you. I'm friendly."
Oh, that's a great way to think about it. Like, it's not about the words, it's about the feeling.
Exactly right. Okay, let's move to at work or school sentences, because learners need English in professional situations too.
Yes, work English is so different. I always feel like I need to be more careful with my words.
You do want to be polite, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Listen, can I ask you something? Let me check on that. I'll get back to you soon. Could you explain that again? I'm not sure, let me find out. Can we meet later? I'll send you an email. Thanks for your help. I finished the report. We have a meeting at 3.
Okay, I'll get back to you soon. I hear this all the time, but I never used it myself.
It's a golden phrase. You use it when you don't have the answer right now, but you will find it. It sounds professional and responsible.
You mean like it buys you time?
Yes, exactly. It buys you time, but politely.
Okay, that goes straight to my list.
Write it down. All right, next group, shopping and errands, because everyone goes to a store, right?
Oh yes, the store is where my English breaks down the most.
You're not alone. Here are your shopping sentences. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? Where can I find the milk? Can I get a bag, please? I'm just looking, thanks. Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a receipt? Is this on sale? I'd like to return this. Do you have anything cheaper?
I'm just looking, thanks. Oh, that one saves lives, because sometimes the salesperson comes to you and you're not ready to talk.
Right. It's polite, it's clear, and it gives you space. No awkwardness.
Wait, here's the interesting part. Even native speakers use these, right? These aren't just learner sentences.
100%. That's exactly the point. These are normal, everyday sentences. Your neighbor uses them. Your teacher uses them. Everyone uses them.
That makes me feel so much better.
It should. Okay, let's talk about feelings and emotions, because life is not just tasks and errands. Sometimes you need to express how you feel.
And this is hard. Feelings are deep. I struggle to find the right English words sometimes.
I totally get that, but these sentences will help. I'm really tired today. I feel a little nervous. I'm so excited about this. I'm not feeling well. That really made my day. I'm a bit stressed right now. I feel much better now. That made me laugh so hard. I was surprised by that. I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself. That's beautiful. Like, that's something we should say more.
Yes, and it's important. Learners often forget to celebrate themselves. When you finish a difficult lesson, say it. I'm proud of myself.
I'm going to start saying that. Okay, what's next?
This is where things change. We're going into asking for help sentences, because knowing how to ask for help is a huge skill.
Yes, because sometimes I need help, but I don't know how to ask without sounding rude.
Exactly. The magic is in the polite phrases. Ready? Can you help me with this? Could you say that again, please? I don't understand. Can you explain? What does that mean? Can you show me how? Is it okay if I ask you something? I need a little help here. Can you speak more slowly, please? Could you write that down for me? Thank you so much for your help.
Can you speak more slowly, please? I need this every single day.
Most learners do. And guess what? Native speakers don't mind at all. They are happy to slow down for you. You just need to ask.
That's actually really comforting to know.
People are kinder than we think. Okay, next section. Eating out and food. Because food is life, Jay.
Food is life. I love this section already.
Here we go. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the same. Can I get this to go? Could I have some water, please? Is this spicy? I'm allergic to nuts. This is delicious. Can we get the check, please? Can you split the bill?
Can you split the bill? Oh, this is important, especially when you're with friends and everyone pays separately.
Very important. And restaurants around the world understand this sentence. It's universal.
You won't believe what happened to me once. I didn't know how to ask for the check. I just sat there waiting for 20 minutes.
Oh no!
The waiter didn't come back and I was too scared to call him over.
So what did you do?
I finally just said, "Excuse me," super loudly. Everyone looked at me.
Well, excuse me works too. But now you have, can we get the check, please? So much smoother.
Life-changing. Okay, keep going.
Next, traveling and directions. Super useful for anyone who travels or lives in a new city.
Yes, getting lost is scary when you don't know the language.
It really is. Here are your travel sentences. Where is the nearest station? How do I get to the airport? Is this the right bus? How long does it take? Can you call me a taxi? I'm lost. Can you help me? Where is the restroom? Is it far from here? Can you point me in the right direction? I need a map.
I'm lost. Can you help me? 3 seconds of courage. That's all it takes to say that sentence, and someone will help you.
That's such a good way to put it. 3 seconds of courage. Because everyone gets lost. It's not embarrassing. It's human.
And people actually want to help, right?
Most of the time, absolutely. Okay, we have 2 more categories. Are you ready?
I'm so ready. This is flying by.
Next, phone calls and messages. Because in real life, you don't always talk face to face.
Oh, phone calls make me nervous. Like you can't see the person's face.
I know, but with the right sentences, it gets easier. Hello, is this the right number? Can I speak to someone in charge? I'll call you back later. Can you text me the details? Sorry, I missed your call. Can you hear me okay? I'll be quick. Let me know when you're free. I sent you a message. Check your phone when you get a chance.
Check your phone when you get a chance. That one is so casual and friendly. I love it.
Right? It doesn't sound urgent or pushy. It's just easy.
You mean like it's low pressure?
Exactly. Low pressure. Very natural. Okay, last category, and this one is my favorite.
What is it?
Positive and encouraging sentences. Because English isn't just about tasks, it's also about lifting people up.
Oh, I like this already.
Here we go. You're doing great. Keep it up. I believe in you. Don't give up. You've got this. That was really good. I'm so happy for you. You should be proud. You're getting better every day. We're in this together.
Ah, those sentences feel so warm, like a hug in words.
That's exactly what they are. And when you're learning English, sometimes you need someone to say, "You've got this." So we're saying it to you right now.
To everyone listening, you've got this. Seriously.
Yes. Now, Jay, let's do a quick count for our listeners. They heard 99 sentences today across 9 categories: morning routines, greetings, work, shopping, feelings, asking for help, food, travel, phone calls, and encouraging words.
That is so much value in one episode, and honestly, none of it felt overwhelming.
That's the whole point, because when you learn in context, when sentences come with a story or a situation, they stick in your memory.
Like, I'm already imagining myself saying, "I'm on my way," or "Can we get the check, please?" naturally.
That's the goal. Picture yourself using them. Practice them out loud. Don't just read them, say them. In the mirror, in the shower, wherever.
Yes, shower English practice is underrated.
Highly underrated. Okay, here is a little challenge for our listeners. Pick just 5 sentences from today's episode. Just 5, and try to use them before tomorrow.
Only 5? That's easy. Anyone can do that.
That's why we say 5. Small steps every day. That is how real progress happens, not memorizing 99 sentences in 1 hour.
One brick at a time builds the house.
I love that. 1 brick at a time.
So, May, if someone feels like they still can't remember the sentences, what should they do?
Listen to this episode again. Seriously. The second time you hear it, you'll catch things you missed the first time. That's how language learning works. Repetition is your best friend.
And we make a new episode every single day, so there's always something new coming.
Every single day. So make sure you're subscribed so you never miss one.
Before we close, May, which sentence from today is your personal favorite?
I think we're in this together because learning English is hard sometimes, and you should never feel alone in that journey. We are always here.
That gave me chills. Mine is, I'm proud of myself, because I want to say that more.
Say it right now.
I'm proud of myself.
Yes, see how that feels?
It feels really good, actually.
Good. Now, here is our question for you today. We want to hear from you in the comments. Which sentence from today's episode do you want to use most? Write it below and tell us why. We love reading your comments. They make our day.
Yes, drop it in the comments. Even if it's just one sentence, we want to see it.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You showed up, you listened, and that means you are serious about your English. We respect that so much.
We'll be back tomorrow with another episode, so stay close, keep practicing, and remember,
Your English is growing every single day. We're proud of you. See you tomorrow, English learners.
see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.